Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today I will show you how to register on AliExpress. So for this I will use my browser and find official website of AliExpress. This is aliexpress.com, and at the top of my screen I should look for man icon that looks like this, and here I have two options to sign in or register. I tap register button and now decide what exactly you want to use to create your account. It could be email or your phone number. So enter it right here, then tap continue button, or you can simply continue with quick access. I will use my Google account. Select account, and boom, you're signed into your account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.